Well, it looks like the regulator on the RG250 is packed up. Reading the battery voltage, I got 19-20 volts across the battery, and consequently the battery had boiled dry. Put a new battery on, of course, and it's still the same, so I didn't leave it like that for long. I got a new regulator. One small problem: that's the original regulator, that's the replacement regulator, so I think a little bit of modification is required. Got a plate cut out now and mounted. Used a bit of this heatsink compound on the back of the plate, and I'll do the same on the regulator so that it'll help to conduct any heat away. Not sure it's absolutely necessary, particularly with this one, because it's a massive heatsink already on there, but it can't do any harm. So that's the new regulator bolted to the plate. Luckily we've got plenty of space down here on the RG to fit it in place, so that shouldn't be too much of a problem. Just got to figure out the connections, which are normally in here, and just got to check them and rewire them accordingly. Should be fairly easy. Looks like positive, negative, and the 3 phases. This rectifier, by the way, regulator, came off the Suzuki 650, I think, and a whole range of Suzukis, but not specifically for this bike. But I don't think there's much difference between them apart from the price. Okay, I've got it fitted now. Turn on my little voltmeter, reading 12.7 without the engine running. Let's see what happens when we start. Lights on. Okay, that seems to have done the trick.